Hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. This video is about my absolute favorite kitchen appliance, the Instant Pot. I've owned this one for about 8 years. You might see some dents and bruises and wear and tear on it, but I have not had a single problem with it. And along the way, I've learned how to make perfect easy peel eggs. It makes absolute perfect rice and much more. Let me show you what else I've made in it. I love making juicy hamburgers in foil in my Instant Pot because there's no pan to clean up and there's no splatter in the kitchen. And by the way, pulled pork is the easiest thing you can make in an Instant Pot. And when I want to impress my friends, I make creme brulee. My absolute favorite meal to cook in my Instant Pot is salmon in garlic butter with corn and rice all cooked at the same time. Now, if you want to make quick and easy meals that will impress your friends and family, I recommend the Instant Pot. Thanks for watching.